Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Academic Technology. Today we are going to talk about ChatGPT 4 and Microsoft 365 Copilot. What is the difference and what are the similarities between these two tools and how they are going to help you achieve your goals? Both ChatGPT 4 and Microsoft 365 Copilot are artificial intelligence technologies that are developed to help you achieve your tasks faster and more efficiently. They have so many similarities, but there is what we call striking differences between the both. ChatGPT and Microsoft 365 Copilot are both artificial intelligence tools that is developed with the intent of helping you achieve your task faster and more efficiently. In as much as there are similarities between the two, there is also striking difference between the two. What is Microsoft 365 Copilot? This is an AI tool that uses advanced technology like deep learning, like machine learning, to help you manage your tasks, improve your communication, and make informed decisions personally. So this actually personalizes this artificial intelligence tool specifically to your work, mostly for people who use Windows 11, who use Office 365. It's essentially your digital partner for more productive work life. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a flexible modern open AI. It's built to have natural conversation, generate text, generate code, help you arrange your codes, and so many other things, help you summarize, write article for you, write seminar for you. It's built to help you have a natural conversation, have a chat, write article, write code. It is the part of the latest technology discovery that is making life very easy currently. The key features of ChatGPT is content generation, conversational expertise. So what do we mean by conversational expertise? It can converse with human being naturally. You will be thinking it's human being that is behind the keyboard. Content generation, it can help you generate your blog, generate your content, generate your seminar, generate your project, and so many of them. Language translation, it can help you translate language to French, to Spanish, to English. So what are the compositions of Microsoft 365 Copilot? I told you before that it works mostly with your Windows 11 on your Microsoft 365. It has easy integration with Microsoft 365. This way it can personalize all your AI, can tell you how to make references, you can summarize articles for you, you can add image into Microsoft for you. There are so many things you can do with it in Microsoft 365. Another one is easy task management. It helps you manage your tasks. Seamless teamwork. For people who use Microsoft Teams, it makes teamwork very easy. Data crunching. Copilot helps in managing large data sets, processes it, analyzes it, and help you even explain the analysis for you. In fact, Copilot is your personal AI assistant on the go. It's a personalized AI assistant. While ChatGPT is an AI assistant that's like general, but Copilot already know, if you are using Microsoft before, you already know all the content of your computer system, all the things that you saved. It already knows your team members. It already know when next you are going to have a meeting. There are so many, in fact, there are so many things on PowerPoint. It already knows that you have a presentation to do. It can get it from your mail and remind you that there's a presentation you are supposed to prepare, that this meeting you're already late. In fact, Copilot is actually personalized, while ChatGPT 4 is wide, right? So these things depend on you to know specifically what you need and why you need it, the one that will serve you most at a particular point. So how do you choose your right AI assistant? When choosing between Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT 4, there are things you are supposed to consider. If you are a casual AI user, you just go on internet, generate things, generate content, do this write essay, I will suggest you use ChatGPT to do this content, right? But if you are using AI for business, for organization, for work, and you are on Windows 11, you use Office 365, I will suggest you use Microsoft Copilot, because that is your personal assistant that is going to help you on everything that you are going to do. Just be reminded that your choice of these tools should be subjective to the objective that you have, to what you do, to what you want to achieve with it. If you just want to write essay, compose poem, generate images, random images for yourself, you are just a regular internet user, I would advise you to use ChatGPT. But if you have an organization, if you work with organization, if you have a business, you develop proposals, you attend to meetings, I would advise you to go for Microsoft 365 Copilot. That is the way to go for organization, especially if you are using Windows 11. But these things did not come at no cost, because all of them, both ChatGPT 4 and Microsoft 365 Copilot, have subscription monthly. But there is an aspect of ChatGPT that's also free in case you cannot afford to pay. Thank you for staying with us. Don't forget to subscribe and share our video. See you next time when we are going to practice how Microsoft 365 Copilot works.